Summer is around the corner, and when it's hot, I want to be wearing less, and I have the perfect essentials that you need to get the perfect glowy yet natural looking makeup that is transfer proof. So if you want to see how this video goes, please carry on watching. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. If you're new here, hello, join the community and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any uploads. So we don't need to stress too much, but we know that it's always essential to do your skin prep, whether it's winter or summer, to achieve just the flawless look. Whether you're wearing makeup or just wearing the BB cream, you still need to do some type of skincare or skin prep. So these are the products that I used, and the number one key is the sun protection. You need to have some SPF in your product or sun cream, and get one that does not leave you a white cast. Going ahead using the 4-in-1 glow, mixing it with the Fenty Beauty blur stick, and I just love the 4-in-1 glow, and I'm mixing together creates such a perfect foundation that is actually super light. It's actually kind of like a BB cream, and it's so gorgeous. And I want to bronze my skin, so I'm using the Curve Case by Made My Natural. I use in shade Deep, and I like to just go all the places that I want to be bronzed. We're not contouring, we are bronzing in summer. So you can also do whatever you prefer. If you want to contour, but I prefer to be bronzed in summer. So I'm just blending all of that together. So keeping in with that bronze theme, I'm going in with that orangey color from Made by Natural Curve Case, and I'm putting it pretty much everywhere. And concealer, we're using the Iborian Korean BB concealer. I have never ever heard anyone who's done something like this. If you have, please let me know in the comments below. It's a BB concealer, which means it's a super lightweight. It just covers the minimum. I still love my bright under eye, so I still went in with a bit of brightness to it. So I used the shade Caramel and also Chocolate. So I know it's looking crazy, but you guys seen the finish already, how gorgeous everything is looking. Then I went in again with that orange because there's a trend going on of, you know how there was the strawberry makeup, now there's like a peach trend going on. So I thought, let me try it with this look, keeping in with that bronze theme. And so wherever you put creams, liquids, you have to set. Though we're going for that dewy glowy makeup, we have to set our concealer, and I'm using the H&B banana setting powder. Then I'm going in with the Doll Beauty Takes Two to Mango blush, keeping in with that orangey peachy theme, and it's just looking so gorgeous, you guys. Obviously you can do this with pink as well if you want. And then I'm going in with my new favorite bronzer from P. Louise, and I absolutely love it. And I'm not putting no eyeshadow on this makeup look. It's literally just bronzer under my eyes and also in my crease, just to give that warm look. Then I'm just going ahead with my lips this time because I was just trying to see if this would work, and I went in with NYX Slick Click It Balm, but it wasn't giving me that orange I wanted, and I wanted like something orangey. And then I went in with the gloss from Plopsy. Look at the packaging and how cute it is. So I wanted to brighten up my eyes, the inner corner of my eyes, without it being too much because we're not adding eyeshadow. Okay, so this is just gonna brighten my eyes. And another essential for this summer is making sure you've got a waterproof mascara, because when the heat is there, you could have sweaty eyelids. I don't know if that happens to anybody. Sometimes it happens to me, especially if it's really hot. And for lashes, I want to keep it nice and light. I got sent these gorgeous lashes from Velour, and they're super light and natural. We're putting down the mink lashes and going back to the natural, sometimes in that. So I put those lashes, and then I'm gonna just go in with a bit of highlight because I want to be glowy, I want to be looking dewy. And then I'm gonna put my beauty marks because I just like it. It just kind of just shows up. So this is another essential. You need a setting spray or fixing spray that's gonna make your makeup transfer proof. Makeup Revolution and L'Oreal 3 second spray is my go-to if I want that makeup that's not gonna budge. And this is what I'm gonna show you. Look at that. It's not budged. It's not moving. So as you can see, guys, transfer proof. Those are the essentials that you need for this summer. Okay, so you're gonna need some waterproof mascara, do a good skincare, skin prep, sunscreen, and also get a great fixing spray. This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.